Here we have a 1-minute chart of the micros on November 10th, 2022 at 10:30 p.m. EST. We're looking at a bull flag, which falls under the umbrella of double slanted trendline pattern. So what are the criterias for a bull flag? 1. Trend lines are almost parallel or completely parallel to each other. 2. Top and bottom touch points start counting after a new high is in place. Using our trendline criteria, note the 1-2 touch points and the line that I've already drawn. Note that with slanted trend lines, we're looking for 1 or 2B of our trendline criteria. Using again our trendline criteria, we can do the same for the bottom by noting the 1-2 touch points. Note there are 2 types of bull flags. A classic bull flag, which has 3 touches of the top and bottom lines before a break, and a short bull flag, which only needs 2 touches of the top and bottom lines before a break. We note that the price does not break on the 3rd touches, so we're in a classic bull flag. Price eventually breaks above our top slanted trend line, and we enter a long position. Speeding things up, you'll notice that the price eventually finds resistance at the previous local high, where I sell out temporarily of all of my positions. Price continued to be rejected from the resistance line and eventually reaches a level where I re-enter a partial position. Speeding things up again, I plan to sell half of it at the top resistance line and the other half at my 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. After selling my half, I put in my stop loss so you can see where the 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio might be. Then price eventually breaks above and hits my target where I exit out of my positions. After my 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio target was hit, I stopped trading and left my desk. But after a simple retest of our resistance trend line, eventually you could see that the price got above the high of our bull flag, which is a very typical behavior for this pattern. Here I attach my performance for trading the bull flag pattern on this night. Notice that even though I left the bulk of the profits on the table, I was still able to take profits on the break of the bull flag because it was such a high probability trade. And also note that our trendline criteria also helped us with multiple parts of the trade. If you found this video interesting or useful, please give this video a like to support the channel and future videos. Subscribe to the channel to keep up to date on the newest videos and analysis I will upload. See you in the next one.